In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Drive link public. This is a handy trick when you want to share files with others in a way that's easily accessible. You'll find it especially useful for sharing documents, presentations, or even photos without having to deal with permissions one by one. Now let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, take a look through your folders or files and locate the one you wish to share publicly. If you haven't organized your drive, you might find it helpful to use the search bar at the top to find your file quickly. Now that you've located the file, go ahead and right click on it. You'll see a variety of options pop up, but the one we're interested in today is labeled Share. When you're managing files on Google Drive, sharing options are key to controlling who can see or edit your files. After right clicking without clicking yet, just hover on the Share option. What this does is it prepares you to modify the file's settings, and Google gives you a little preview of what options will be available. Once you're comfortable with where this option is, go ahead and click on Share. A dialog box will appear showing you the current sharing settings of your file. At this point, you'll notice something that says Restricted, which means only specific people can access the file presently. Our aim is to change this so anyone with the link can view it. Click on the restricted option and you'll see more sharing options appear. You want to look for an option that says anyone with the link. Selecting this will ensure that your file is accessible to anyone who has the link, no further permissions needed. It's particularly useful for sharing resources with a group or making information widely accessible. Once you've selected anyone with the link, you'll see an option to copy the link. An important thing to note here is that this link can be shared with anyone, and they won't need a Google account to view the file. Simply click on copy link and your link will be ready to paste into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. Finally, ensure you click done to confirm all the changes to the sharing settings. And just like that, you have successfully made your Google Drive file public. This simple process can save you a ton of time and make collaboration much easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to effectively manage your file sharing settings in Google Drive.